In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check free margin on MetaTrader 5. If you're trading on MetaTrader 5, it's very important to know where to find your free margin because this tells you how much of your account is still available for opening new trades. Keeping an eye on this area can also help you better understand your account status and manage risk more effectively. To begin, look at the bottom section of the MetaTrader 5 platform and find the Toolbox panel. This panel contains several useful areas for monitoring your trading activity, account information, and platform messages. If you already have it open, you'll see it docked along the bottom of the screen. Once you're in the Toolbox panel, click on the Trade tab. This is the main area where MetaTrader 5 displays your open positions, pending orders, and your account summary. It's one of the most useful tabs for checking your account in real time, especially while trades are active. After opening the Trade tab, look at the Account Summary section. This is where you'll find the key figures related to your trading account, including the free margin value you're looking for. The information shown here updates automatically as market conditions change. So, if you have open trades, these numbers may move up or down in real time. In this section, you will see balance, which represents the total funds in your account before taking current open trade profit or loss into account. You'll also see equity, which is your balance adjusted by any floating profit or floating loss from open positions. Next, you'll see margin. This is the amount of money currently being used to maintain your open trades. Right beside or near that, you'll find free margin, which is the amount still available for opening new trades. This is the figure you want to check when you need to know how much trading capacity remains in your account. You will also see level shown as a percentage. This is your margin level, and it gives you a quick sense of how healthy your account is relative to the margin being used. So, to check free margin on MetaTrader 5, simply open the Toolbox panel, go to the Trade tab, and read the Account Summary section. That's where your free margin is displayed, along with the rest of the essential account metrics. Keeping track of these values regularly can help you make more informed trading decisions and avoid unnecessary risk.